video. On this video I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from any image that you find on the internet for your Scratch programs. The reason we want to do this is if you look at this example here, I'm just trying to explore some different rockets, and so this rocket I just downloaded a picture off the internet because I wanted a space shuttle, but when I brought it in, it comes with this big square behind it. So I want to remove this background so that it looks more like this rocket ship that doesn't cover up everything. Okay, so that's what we're teaching you how to do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet, and I'm going to find a rocket picture that I want. So I just typed in rocket, and I clicked on images. Okay, and so you can come through and you can find a lot of different pictures of rockets. If you'll take and type in PNG, and as part of your search, it brings up kind of some images that are more suitable for what we're using it for. Okay, so let's say I want to fix that space shuttle. Here's this one right here. So I'm going to right click on here with my mouse, and it gives me this little menu, and on that menu I'm going to click Save Image As. I'm going to always put it to the desktop just because it's a temporary file that I want to delete later anyway. And I'm going to name it Rocket. I've already done this before, right before I did the video, so I'm going to put Rocket 2 so that I can distinguish it from the other one that's on the desktop already, but you can just name it Rocket if you want. Okay, and I'm just going to hit Save. Okay, once that file is saved, then I want to go to the internet and I want to search this website right here, remove.bng. Okay, and when you find this website right here, you'll get this screen, and you'll just upload the image that we just found of the space shuttle. So I click there. I'm searching on the desktop because that's where I saved it, and then I'm going to come down here and find there's the Rocket 2 that I just did. Okay, so I'll click on that, say open, and then it kind of gives me a preview, and all the gray and white checkered is what it's going to remove. If I don't like it, how it edited it, I can kind of edit and change it a little bit right here. But if I do like it, then I just click on remove background, and then once it's removed it, it actually already did remove the background, so I didn't really have to click it. And now I just click download. So I'm going to name this Rocket 2 again. I'll leave that underscore so it's different from the other Rocket 2 that I saved, so it doesn't override it. And you'll notice that it automatically saves it as a PNG file, which is a file that's the background's been edited. Okay. So now if I go into my Meteor game, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. Well, maybe I'll just keep it there for a minute so you can see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to come here to my choose a sprite, and all the way up to the top is to upload a sprite. And on my desktop, if I scroll down, I will find that Rocket 2 that I saved, and it has the underscore and it says PNG, not the original JPEG, but the PNG one right there. Open that, and you see that it does not have that white background that the other one did, and that's what we want for our game. Okay, and that's how you do it. Go ahead and experiment. You can do something besides this rocket ship if you like. Good luck.